Did you go to the park today?
Yeah.
Did you play with Daddy in the park?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're so lucky. And now we're gonna go to the store together?
Yeah. Daddy's door.
Not Daddy's store, with Mommy. Is that okay?
No.
Daddy's gonna stay home. I'm just Mommy and Zelda Khan are gonna go. Is that cool? No Daddy. Okay?
Okay.
Is it okay for Daddy to stay home?
No.
Daddy has to come with us?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see what I can do. Maybe I can talk him into coming. Would you like that?
Yeah.
It'd be fun if Daddy came with us? Do you love your daddy?
Yeah.
Say, I love Daddy. Do you love Mommy? Not as much though, right? Alright. Bye-bye.